Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Grammarly application on your mobile device. To log out of Grammarly, first of all, open up the Grammarly app on your device, and once you're inside the home page, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. Within the Accounts tab, tap on your name at the top. This will open up the Accounts tab where you will be able to see the Log Out button at the bottom. Tap on Log Out and you will then be able to sign out of Grammarly right away. Now you are successfully logged out of your Grammarly account. To log back in, just use your email, Google or Facebook credentials and you'll be good to go. That's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Apps Academy for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.